Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace one of the washer's main top clips in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a putty knife. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Using the putty knife, release the two retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top, and you can detach the clip you're replacing if still intact. You're now ready to install the new clip. With the curved end facing forward, insert the clip into the slot in the front panel at an angle, then snap it into place. Realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.